Welcome to the channel. If you are looking for ways to boost your income without quitting your day job, you have come to the right place. Today, we explore 5 side hustle ideas for 2025 that incorporate artificial intelligence. These opportunities are designed for individuals like you who desire straightforward, implementable ways to generate additional income. Each idea emphasizes actionable steps, involves low initial investment, and connects directly to revenue generation via platforms like freelancing sites or Shopify. Statistics from 2025 reveal that interest in artificial intelligence-powered side hustles has increased by 28%. This trend positions such ventures as vital income streams in an era of economic uncertainty and flexible work arrangements. Reports indicate that side hustlers earn an average of $1,122 monthly, though medians hover around $200 for many. High performers, particularly in artificial intelligence niches, often surpass $1,000 per month. These hustles are not the oversaturated ones you see everywhere on YouTube, like basic content creation or drop shipping. Instead, they leverage artificial intelligence in unique ways that are easy to start, even if you have no technical background. Think of them as smart extensions of your existing skills. Whether you are in marketing, creativity, or business management, we will cover prompt engineering, print-on-demand designs, music generation, translation services, and business automation. Each one ties directly to earning money, with tips on affiliates like Shopify or freelancing platforms to maximize your profits. Let us dive in. Side Hustle 1: Prompt Engineering. This involves developing tailored prompts to enhance artificial intelligence outputs for businesses, including customized content like marketing copy or operational scripts. This role suits seasoned professionals with insight into corporate requirements. Imagine you have years of experience in sales or administration. Now, you can turn that knowledge into prompts that make tools like ChatGPT produce exactly what a company needs, saving them time and money. To implement this, follow these steps. First, analyze prevalent artificial intelligence applications across sectors. Research what businesses in marketing, human resources, or customer service commonly use artificial intelligence for. Second, experiment with and perfect prompts via accessible tools such as ChatGPT. Start by testing simple prompts and refining them based on outputs. For example, instead of a generic request, craft one that specifies tone, length, and key elements. Third, market services on freelancing hubs like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a profile highlighting your professional background and offer packages starting at $50 per prompt set. The earning potential here is solid. You can attain $800 to $1,500 monthly with part-time commitment, aligned with 2025 freelance trends where prompt engineering demand supports salaries averaging $123,000 annually for full-time roles, scalable for side work. The global market for prompt engineering exhibits a compound annual growth rate of 32.8%. Moving on to Side Hustle 2: Artificial Intelligence for Print-on-Demand Services. Here, you employ artificial intelligence to produce unique designs for items like apparel, accessories, or home goods, then distribute them through print-on-demand networks. This appeals to creative individuals with minimal design expertise. If you enjoy hobbies like graphic design or even just brainstorming ideas, artificial intelligence handles the heavy lifting, turning your concepts into sellable products. Implementation steps are straightforward. First, create visuals using artificial intelligence features in tools like Canva, input descriptions, and let the artificial intelligence generate variations. Second, submit designs to services such as Printful or Teespring which handle printing and shipping. Third, establish a storefront on Shopify for sales management. Link it all together and watch orders come in passively. Earning potential includes yielding $500 to $1,000 monthly in passive revenue, as 2025 data reflects the print-on-demand market reaching approximately $12 billion, with growth at a compound annual rate of 25 to 26%, fueled by demand for personalized items. For practical tips, cater to specific demographics, such as interest groups like golf enthusiasts or book clubs. Leverage artificial intelligence trend analysis to refresh designs efficiently. Tools can predict what is popular, so stay ahead. Affiliate opportunities involve capitalizing on Shopify affiliate commissions for referrals or collaborating with print providers for supplementary earnings. Promote your store and earn extra from signups. Side Hustle 3 is artificial intelligence-generated music for commercial use. You produce music compositions across styles with artificial intelligence, then license them for media like advertisements, videos, or applications. This fits music aficionados without formal training. If you love listening to podcasts or watching videos, you can create the background tracks that make them engaging. Implementation. First, explore artificial intelligence music generators like AIVA or Suno. Input genre and mood and generate tracks. Second, polish tracks to ensure quality by adding effects or shortening sections. Third, upload to stock music sites such as Audio Jungle or freelancing platforms. Earning potential. Secure $300 to $900 per month. Supported by 2025 projections where the artificial intelligence-generated music market approaches $2 billion amid broader artificial intelligence music sector growth from $3.9 billion in 2023 toward $38.7 billion by 2033. Practical tips. Package tracks for targeted applications, such as background scores for videos. Incorporate minor manual adjustments to comply with commercial guidelines. Test with free uploads to gauge interest. Affiliate opportunities. Advocate for music generation tools via Fiverr affiliates, or sell via Shopify-linked marketplaces. Now Side Hustle 4, artificial intelligence-based translation services. Merge linguistic proficiency with artificial intelligence for precise, rapid translations of materials, outperforming conventional approaches. This serves multilingual experts in global contexts. If you speak multiple languages from travel or family, amplify that with artificial intelligence for professional services. Steps. First, generate preliminary translations with tools like DeepL. Second, refine for nuance with personal knowledge. Third, promote offerings on freelancing sites aimed at international enterprises. Earning potential. Realize $600 to $1,200 monthly, as 2025 analyses show the language services market expanding from $71.7 billion in 2024 to $75.7 billion, with artificial intelligence driving efficiency in translation segments. Broader artificial intelligence software in this space is valued at over $126 billion. Tips. Specialize in sectors like e-commerce or legal documents. Compile a showcase of translated samples to secure engagements. Offer bundles for ongoing work. Affiliates. Partner with language tools through Upwork affiliates, or employ Shopify for marketing translation resources. Finally, Side Hustle 5, artificial intelligence business automation. Configure artificial intelligence systems to streamline business operations, including automated communications or analytics. This matches technically inclined individuals with management backgrounds. If you organize tasks well at work, apply that to help small businesses automate. Steps. First, Master fundamental artificial intelligence tools like Zapier, featuring artificial intelligence capabilities. Second, pinpoint operational inefficiencies in businesses. Third, provide setup services on freelancing platforms. Earning potential. Generate $800 to $1,500 monthly with limited hours per 2025 insights, where artificial intelligence automation side hustles, such as workflow setups, align with rising adoption in small enterprises, contributing to average side hustle earnings of over $1,000 for top performers. Tips: begin with nearby companies. Deliver initial setups to demonstrate value and gather endorsements. Scale by creating templates. Affiliates. Recommend automation software via Fiverr affiliates or link with Shopify for e-commerce-focused solutions. These 5 artificial intelligence-infused side hustles offer reliable avenues for supplemental income in 2025. Each demands modest startup effort and grows with dedication. Prioritize persistence to achieve results. Remember, the key is starting small and building consistently. These fit your lifestyle, allowing balance with family or career. Subscribe for additional strategies, leave comments with questions, and explore these ideas today. Which one will you try first? Thank you for viewing.